7 benefits of honey and lemon drink. Detoxifies body and aids weight loss. Clears the skin from acne. Increases immunity. Reduces throat and cough infection. Replenishes energy levels. Acts as diuretic. Nourishes your hair. How to prepare. Squeeze a lemon. A cup of warm water. Add lemon juice to warm water. Add a teaspoon of honey. Honey may lose its natural healing qualities in boiling hot water. Mix them. Drink it every morning is very good for your immune system. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more beauty and health recipes.